welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to solve a problem for you. I have been asked in the comment section of a video that I uploaded a while ago that you cannot use your randomly generated credit card details anymore on booking.com to book dummy accommodation basically. So here's the thing, I've been using booking.com for 2 years and I've booked more than 20 accommodations. It's perfectly safe to use your own credit card details. But of course, you don't want to pay before you even get a visa for an accommodation. So here's the thing, you find an accommodation that has two things. You can use a filter of free cancellation a few days before check-in date and pay at the property option, or even pay few days before the check-in day. First you book it, you pay basically nothing, you book that accommodation with your own credit card details, and then a few hours later you just cancel it. You can even cancel it right away. You book it, you find that PDF of booking details, and then you cancel. Nobody verifies it, it's perfectly okay. Thank you so much, I hope this helps. If you have any further questions, write in the comment section. Let's go.